Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to go live on Instagram from your PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome and go to the Instagram website and log into your account. Here to access the Instagram Live Producer on the left side menu, click Create and select the live video, sometimes labeled Go Live. This opens the Instagram Live Producer page. The Instagram Lives on PC works through streaming software, not directly from the browser camera. Before going live, you'll need to add a title for your live stream, choose your audience, like practice or public, and click next. The Instagram will now give you a stream URL and stream key. And you can now connect the streaming software like the OBS Studio. Click go live on Instagram and you're now live on Instagram from PC. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.